What's up, guys? It's your boy Lanier, man, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro that I just shot. I shot it with this drone right here, the DJI Mini 2, and I don't know what's been taking me so long to finally get a drone, but I'm so glad that I finally did it. The footage looks great, and I want to talk about it. Okay, guys, so like my first feelings on flying this drone was actually a feeling of like pretty much confidence, because when I was flying this drone, I could kind of feel the power that it could go faster. It was actually hovering pretty stable. It didn't like sway or anything like that. It wasn't really like a windy day, but it just felt like a great day to fly the drone. I was actually trying to catch, you know, some of the sunset or something like a sunset over the lake. It was a really cloudy day. As you can see, it's still cloudy. So I wasn't really able to get like that really crispy golden hour type of look, but I still just had fun being able to fly the drone. And on top of that, this DJI Mini 2 is not even really that loud. Like once it was maybe about 20 feet away or 30 feet away from me, it was kind of already starting to kind of like disappear. I had to at times look up in the sky to kind of re-find it with my own visual eyes, because you can't hear it, you don't really know where it's at. If it wasn't for me looking at my screen, I would have not really known where the drone was at all. Mind you, I was also in the middle of a park surrounded by a lot of other people who were there, and they didn't seem to be bugged or bothered by the drone flying by, because once again, it's not really that loud. Now, I used to have the DJI Phantom 3. I still have the drone, but I crashed it over some trees about 2 or 3 years ago, and I never really replaced the drone because it was so expensive. And lately I have been blessed to be able to be in a financial position to be able to finally get a new drone. And so by picking this one, I just really feel like this is probably one of the best decisions I've made. Now with this channel, I plan to do a lot of traveling and being able to go to different places, and I want to show you guys where I'm at by being able to get like an overhead shot of different locations. So I really feel like just getting this camera right here is going to really change the game. Now, I didn't get into being able to shoot in different like color profiles yet, because I just haven't set the drone up. I haven't been having time, you know, with me being a dad and everything, and also having a fiance. It's hard to kind of find time for myself to be able to do things like that. But as soon as I'm able to start playing with the color profiles, I'm pretty sure it probably has like a Cinelight D or something like that, since it's a DJI product. Now, I know there are some way better drone products out there right now, like all the different Maverick series and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna lie, the quality that I got out of this camera is way better than I thought it was going to be. Like, it looked like it almost had like a little bit of depth of field to it, and also a little bit of dynamic range as well. It was just like, man, it's almost like I put wings on this camera right here and just flew it up there. Man, all in all, what I really have to say is that if you guys are in the market to get this camera, which you probably are if you're watching this video, then it's definitely a bang for your buck for sure. I don't see a reason for me to necessarily upgrade unless I want to be able to have the tracking features of the 3, which right now I don't feel the need for, because I'm just having fun being able to have a drone, period. So basically, with that said, look forward to a lot more drone videos of me flying up and showing you different locations that I'm traveling around the world with this camera. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.